Today we're making a delicious lemon feta chicken and asparagus. This is a great light dinner for spring.
Hi, I'm Angie. Welcome back to Dinner and a Side, where my sister Laura and I share our favorite dinner combos. If you're looking for something healthy and light to kick off spring, this is the recipe for you. The chicken is so light and flavorful, and the asparagus is a showstopper. I'll be handling the lemon feta chicken. It's citrusy, juicy, and packed with flavor.
And I'm making the lemon feta asparagus, crisp, charred, and drizzled with a tangy dressing. I think we can agree this meal is basically just an excuse to drench everything in lemon and cheese.
Well, that works for me. Let's get started. First, we need to slice these chicken breasts. They're just so large. It's way too thick for one serving. So we're just gonna cut it in half lengthwise. Now, we're gonna make the marinade, AKA the flavor bomb that is gonna make this chicken absolutely irresistible. In a bowl, I'm gonna whisk together the lemon juice, lemon zest, olive oil, garlic, oregano, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Save a little bit of this marinade to add to the chicken after it's already cooked. Then we're just gonna add the chicken and get it all nice and coated. Once they're all in there, mix them around a bit. This needs to marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes. It's the perfect time to start prepping the asparagus. By the way, in case you missed something or you want to see all of the ingredients, the full recipe is in the description.
That's my cue. While Angie's chicken naps in the fridge, I'm just gonna get the asparagus ready. I'm just gonna snap off the ends. This is the best way to remove the woody ends. Nobody wants to chew on a tree branch. Next, I'm just gonna drench these in a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper to get them ready for the grill. Just drizzle on a little, some olive oil, salt, and pepper. We can roll these around and get them nice and coated. These are only gonna take about 3 minutes to cook.
If only everything cooked that fast. Okay, it's time to cook the chicken. Heat up a little oil in a pan on medium-high heat. Set the chicken right into that hot pan. Hear that? That's the sound of happiness. Depending on the thickness of your chicken, this is gonna take 2 to 3 minutes per side. We want it to get golden brown and delicious. While this is cooking, Laura's gonna finish up the salad, and you can see just how quickly this meal comes together.
All right, let's cook the asparagus. I'm using my indoor grill pan today for this. You can cook it outside on your grill if you want, whatever is easiest for you. I'm just gonna get this really hot, and I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of oil so they don't stick. We wanna get a nice char on the asparagus. And if this isn't really hot, you're not gonna have long enough to get a char. So get that nice and screaming hot, and then we can add the asparagus on. All right, I think these are done, so I'm gonna just put them right here on the serving platter. To make the asparagus especially fancy, we need an amazing dressing. The dressing for this recipe is where the magic happens. It is so flavorful and delicious, you're gonna love it. In a jar, I'm shaking up lemon juice and the zest, olive oil, the feta, garlic, Dijon mustard, and oregano. All right, shake it like you mean it. Ooh, now my countertop is wearing some of it. Hopefully you have a better seal on your jar than I do.
Wow, that was excellent technique. But hey, look, there's none on your shirt.
Thanks. This dressing, oh, it smells so good. It's heavenly. Now we just need to pour it over the asparagus. Be generous with it, don't worry. All the asparagus needs some love. Wow, that looks delicious. To dress this up at the end, I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra feta and some lemon zest, because why not?
Let's get this chicken plated up. Drizzle on the reserved marinade. Sprinkle on some fresh parsley. And of course, crumbled feta on top. And there you have it. Lemon feta chicken and asparagus. Bright, fresh, and ridiculously easy.
A dinner that makes you feel fancy, but secretly took no effort at all. My favorite kind. If you love this dinner idea, why not watch another? Just click a video on the right.